Tired of messy drawers, overcrowded cabinets, and never finding what you need? These must-have kitchen organization gadgets help bring instant order and make your space feel calm and functional. From clever storage solutions to smart organizers, everything is designed to keep your kitchen running smoothly. All products you see are linked in the description. And for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Tired of wrestling with stacked pots and pans? This adjustable 8-tier organizer keeps everything neatly in place, whether it's pans, lids, or baking sheets. Its anti-slip dividers protect your cookware while letting you customize the setup in 3 different ways. No tools required. Made from heavy-duty iron, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and grab exactly what you need, hassle-free. Tired of cluttered cabinets and messy mugs? These clip-on hooks slide easily under flat shelves, letting you hang coffee cups, tea mugs, or even dish towels without drilling or damage. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant iron, they hold up to daily use while keeping your space organized. Each set comes with adhesives and screws for a secure fit. Simple, practical, and space-saving, they turn chaos into neat, accessible storage. Say goodbye to cluttered counters. This magnetic spice rack sticks securely to your fridge or oven, keeping all your spices within easy reach. Its heavy-duty magnet holds strong while still letting you adjust or move it effortlessly. Rust-proof metal ensures long-lasting use, and the compact design saves precious kitchen space. Perfect for small kitchens, it keeps your seasonings organized, accessible, and tidy without taking up any countertop room. So if you want your spices always within reach, scan the QR to shop now. Make every corner count with this space-saving dining set. The modern round table and comfortable fabric chairs fit perfectly in kitchens, offices, or small dining areas. Easy to clean and simple to assemble, it's practical for daily meals or quick work sessions. Its versatile design also works in living rooms, coffee shops, or reception areas. Stylish, compact, and functional, it brings comfort and efficiency to any space. Say goodbye to messy egg cartons. This rolling egg dispenser stores 12 to 14 eggs neatly in your fridge and lets them roll out one at a time with a gentle, gravity-fed motion. Its 2-tier design saves valuable fridge space while keeping eggs organized and easy to grab. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic with non-slip feet, it stays put and cleans up quickly. No assembly needed. Just load your eggs and let them roll. So if you want eggs organized and easy to grab, scan the QR on screen. Maximize your countertop space in seconds. This expandable 2-tier metal rack holds a microwave, toaster, coffee machine, or pots and pans, keeping everything organized and within reach. Adjustable in both length and height, it fits most appliances perfectly. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant carbon steel, it supports up to 55 pounds with ease. With 8 hooks and reinforced shelves, it's a versatile, durable, and stylish kitchen organizer. No more hunting for mixer accessories. These holders keep beaters, dough hooks, and whisks organized and within easy reach. You can mount them with screws or sticky tape, so they fit perfectly wherever you need them. Made from durable, heavy-duty plastic, they securely hold all your attachments while saving valuable kitchen space. 4 independent holders give you flexibility to arrange them exactly how you like. Keep your fruits and veggies fresh and beautifully displayed. This 2-tier basket comes with 2 removable banana hangers, preventing bruises and giving you easy access to your produce. Made from rust-proof wrought iron with sturdy support, it holds everything from bread to snacks without tipping. The open wire design lets air circulate, keeping food fresh longer. Compact, versatile, and portable, It's perfect for your kitchen, countertop, or dining table. So if you want fresh, organized produce at your fingertips, scan the QR to shop now. Transform your sink into a clutter-free zone. This all-in-one caddy holds sponges, brushes, dish soap, and even towels, keeping everything within reach. The drain tray lets water flow away quickly so your tools dry fast and stay clean. Made from premium stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, sturdy, and built to last. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or countertops, it keeps your space tidy and your daily routines effortless. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops. These bamboo dish racks hold plates, bowls, cups, cutting boards, and even books, keeping everything neat and accessible. Each rack has 6 secure slots and a rock-solid assembly, so your kitchen essentials stay in place. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, they add a natural, stylish touch to any space. Compact yet versatile, they transform cabinets and counters into organized, stress-free zones. So if you want a tidy, stylish kitchen, scan the QR on screen. Meet your kitchen's new best friend. This 4-tier metal storage cart rolls wherever you need it, giving easy access to fruits, veggies, or pantry staples. Each basket detaches for simple cleaning, and the sturdy steel frame can handle heavy loads without wobbling. No assembly is required, just roll it into place and start organizing. Stylish, practical, and versatile, it works in the kitchen, living room, or even the bedroom. Keep your pantry organized in style. These bamboo food containers hold plenty of dry goods, from cereal to grains, while keeping everything fresh with a snug magnetic lid. A long-handled spoon lets you scoop every last bit without spilling. Included labels and freshness stickers make it easy to identify and protect each ingredient. With a sleek wood finish, it's both a functional organizer and a beautiful countertop display. Snack Time just got a major upgrade. This divided Snackle Box keeps fruits, veggies, and treats perfectly organized in 8 clear compartments. The silicone-sealed lid locks in freshness and prevents leaks, so your snacks stay safe on the go. A folding handle makes it easy to carry on road trips, picnics, or parties. Dishwasher safe and sturdy, it's a portable snack solution that's as practical as it is clever. Say goodbye to messy sinks. This clever faucet sponge holder clamps securely onto your faucet, keeping sponges, brushes, or soap right where you need them. It rotates 360 degrees, letting you access everything easily without knocking anything over. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last through countless washes. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, it keeps your countertop organized and clutter-free in seconds. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets for your spices? These pull-out spice racks slide smoothly so you can see every jar at a glance. Each tier holds up to 10 jars, and the elevated guardrails keep them from tipping or falling when you pull the rack out. Made with rust-proof metal and BPA-free plastic, they're built to last. Easy to install with screws or adhesive, they turn any cabinet into a neat, organized spice haven. So if you want every spice within reach, scan the QR to shop now. Mugs piling up in your cabinet can make mornings stressful. This expandable stackable organizer doubles your storage instantly by letting you stack cups, coffee mugs, or glasses safely. Adjustable grips hold everything from ceramic mugs to stemless glasses without tipping or scratching. No tools or hooks are needed, just squeeze and lock for a secure fit. Durable, dishwasher safe, and modular. It keeps up to 12 mugs neatly organized while saving precious cabinet space. Tired of juggling messy rice bags in your pantry? This glass rice dispenser with a wooden stand makes portioning effortless and precise. The airtight bamboo lid keeps rice fresh, blocking moisture and pests, while the included glass measuring cup ensures you get just the right amount every time. With its elegant glass and wood design, it looks great on any countertop and keeps your pantry organized, tidy, and ready for every meal. So if you want precise portions without the mess, scan the QR on screen. Under sink space is usually wasted, but this L-shaped organizer changes that. It slides neatly around pipes and garbage disposals, giving every item a proper spot. Pull-out drawers make it easy to grab what you need without reaching into the back. A bonus basket keeps small essentials like sponges and brushes tidy. Made of durable, waterproof plastic, it's simple to assemble and keeps your kitchen or bathroom clutter-free in minutes. Counters and cabinets get cluttered fast when tumblers and lids pile up. This magnetic cup holder keeps up to 6 40-ounce tumblers and their lids neatly organized on the side of your fridge. Strong magnets hold everything securely while still letting you grab what you need instantly. Rust-proof metal and a slim design save space and keep your kitchen tidy. Adjustable and easy to move, it's a simple solution for a cleaner, more organized pantry. Kitchen tools tend to spread out fast and clutter your drawers. This compact utensil set fixes that with a smart stacking design. Each tool snaps neatly together using magnetic handles, so everything stays in one tidy place. You get the essentials for cooking, stirring, and serving without digging around. The heat-resistant tools are easy to clean and sit upright in a slim stand, keeping your counter organized and ready whenever you cook. So if you want a clutter-free kitchen, scan the QR to shop now. Messy drawers make finding anything feel like a chore. These adjustable bamboo drawer dividers turn chaos into clean lines in seconds. You slide them into place, expand them to fit, and instantly create sections that make sense for how you use your space. Extra inserts let you fine-tune small items so nothing drifts around. They stay firmly in place, protect your drawers, and give every utensil, tool, or accessory a clear home. Ever pour rice and end up with half of it on the counter? This airtight food storage container makes that mess a thing of the past. The built-in pouring spout gives you smooth, controlled pouring every time. Its lid doubles as a measuring cup, so you know exactly how much you're using. A tight silicone seal keeps dry food fresh longer and blocks out air. Simple, clean, and perfect for rice, sugar, cereal, or even pet food. So if you want mess-free pouring every time, scan the QR on screen. Counter space disappears fast when dishes start piling up. This over-the-sink drying rack puts that wasted space to work. Plates, bowls, utensils, and even cutting boards all get their own spot, stacked neatly above the sink. Water drains straight down as things dry, so you don't deal with puddles on the counter. It adjusts to fit your setup, installs easily, and turns dish drying into a clean, organized routine instead of a mess. Digging through bags of rice just to find lentils gets old fast. This rotating grain dispenser keeps everything neat, visible, and easy to reach. You simply spin it to the section you want and press a button to pour. No lids to open and no spills. Separate compartments help you keep grains, beans, and cereal organized and fresh. A sealed top blocks moisture and dust, so your dry foods stay clean, dry, and ready whenever you cook. So if you want your grains organized and spill-free, scan the QR to shop now. Raw chicken, veggies, and bread shouldn't share the same surface. This smart cutting board and knife set keeps your prep clean and stress-free. Each board and knife is color-coded, so you always know what's safe to use next. When you're done, you wash them, place them back, and one tap starts heat and UV drying to keep everything hygienic. It runs quietly, dries thoroughly, and keeps your boards and knives ready without clutter or dripping mess. So if you want a spotless, stress-free prep, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.